Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to get unbanned from any game, and with any game I mean even Fortnite or Apex Legends. But there's a little disclaimer right here because you won't be able to play on your account that has been banned, but you will be able to make a new account and play again. So guys, if you've been dumb and you hacked a game like Apex Legends or Fortnite, you cannot play Apex Legends or Fortnite anymore on your PC, because Apex Legends and Fortnite both run on easy anti-cheat engine, and if you get banned, the IP of your PC gets banned. So this actually means that no account on your PC can play those games anymore. But don't worry guys, because today I'm going to show you how to change the IP of your PC. Super simple, super easy, and without IP spoofers. So you won't have to install anything, because I promise you guys, do not install free IP spoofers or you will end up with this. So guys, before we get into it, there's one thing I need to say, and that is please just don't hack on a game that uses easy anti-cheat engine, because easy anti-cheat engine nowadays is just way too good. So if you use free hacks or just simple free hacks you found on Google, you will get banned. I promise you that. So just don't do it. Make it yourself simple. Don't do it. Except for games like CSGO, you could use aimbot in those games, but just make sure you don't overuse them, because the only way in CSGO to get banned is to either get Overwatch banned or to just get reported a lot of times. So that's just what I wanted to say. Now let's get straight into it. So guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, you have to go to your search bar and type in control panel. So it will pop up right here, just click it and it will open. Then go to network and internet, then go to network and sharing center, and lastly go to change adapter settings. Now before you change anything right here, you go back to your search bar and you search CMD. Once your CMD is open, you press IP CONFEIG. So IP config, that's what you want to type, and then press enter. So what this will do is this will show you all the information you need to know about your IP address to actually change it. So what you want to search for is just this thing right here, IPv4 address. And mine right now says 192.168.0.210. So this is my IP right now. And how do I change it? So once you've done this guys, you want to minimize the tab and then go back to the Ethernet settings we opened before. Right click on the Ethernet settings and then click on properties. Once you're here, you are going to want to search for Internet Protocol version 4. Double click on that. So once this is open guys, as you can see, it is on obtain an IP address automatically, and this is the setting we are going to want to change. So we're going to change this to use the following IP address. So just tap this and it should be all empty right here. Now this is the point where we go back to CMD command prompt to search for our IPv4 address, and mine says 192.168.0.210. So that's what I'm going to type in here, but I'm going to type the whole number except for the three last digits. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type the whole number except for the 3 last digits. So that means I'm going to want to go ahead and type 192.168.0, and I'm just going to leave open the last 3 digits. So once you've done that guys, we are going to fill in the subnet mask, and if you look closely to CMD, you will see a title that says subnet mask right here guys. So you're going to want to type that number completely right here. So mine says 255.255.255.0. So that's exactly what I'm going to type in, and as you can see, it automatically fills that in, so I did not have to do anything. That's epic. And then our default gateway is just going to be our number right here, our IPv4 address. So we are going to have to type that And then we are going to fill, now guys, we're going to fill in our default gateway. This is just going to be our normal IP4 that we filled in right here, but just the whole thing. So that will be 192.168.0.2110. That's 210. So just like this. And now what we're going to do is to change your IP address. The only thing you have to do is change these last 3 digits of your IP address right here. And how we are going to do that is we are going to see if there is any IP address in use, because you know there are a million computers in the world and they all use an IP address. So we are going to have to find a unique one. And what we're going to do for that is we are going to go back into CMD, and first we are going to type ping, and then I'm going to type our digits. So 192.168.0, and then let's say we'll make this 230. So once we hit enter, so if it replies, that means that this 230 is already in use. If it doesn't reply, that means it is not in use. So let's say we try that again. We go with ping 192.168.0, and let's go with 218 this time. That 218. So it's pinging with 32 bits of data. And this one says 2.210, so that's not in use already. .210, unreachable. So there's no one using 218 right here. As you can see, there's no 218 in that list. So that means that we can safely use 218, guys. So once you've done this, you just press OK. OK. You can close out of this tab, close out of this tab, and then just restart your computer, guys. And that's as simple as it is, guys. It's not harder than that. Just change the IP settings. It's as easy as that. Go to your settings, go to network, and then change the IP address. You do not need any spoofer, and that will get you unbanned. I promise you, guys. But do not try to get with your banned account on your new IP address, because then you will get your new IP address also banned, and you're going to have to do it again and make again a new IP address. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, just smash the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, or for maybe some Apex Legends gameplay or something like that. So make sure to like the video, and I'm out.